Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Here we are at our favorite place, Lowe's. We are here for the appliances. Too bad it's not a dishwasher.
Let me feel your love again.
They do have some good deals on the washers because normally, I think it's the washers are more expensive than the dryers normally. If I'm wrong, don't correct me because I don't do laundry and I don't really care. The brand of a dryer that we have is Samsung. My unpopular opinion is it doesn't matter if it doesn't match as far as brand as long as it's the same color, but I know everyone does not agree with that. And again, I don't wash clothes, so at the end of the day, it's not up to me. I had to get away from them to get some cleaning supplies. Today's video, I'm just taking you along with us throughout the days as we do things, as well as a little bit of speed cleaning. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Kim, 𝐄𝐈𝐒. I do videos pertaining to home life, so that's cooking, cleaning, doing DIYs, projects, repairs, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and show the like button some love as well.
How you make me feel, I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh.
It's $75 You gotta buy three because then you can cut one out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You cut it right.
Be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up on.
We're now on our way to the grocery store, and I wanted to include these clips in here because it's such a peaceful drive. What I've been doing lately is just slowing down with everything, slowing down with life. Everything doesn't have to happen in fast forward. Everything doesn't have to happen right now. It's good to take your time sometimes, and I'm at that stage right now in my healing journey where I'm just taking my time and enjoying myself. You'll have to let me know what you've been doing thus far this summer.
I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you.
It is 6:06 p.m. It just keeps getting darker and darker and darker. There is a storm brewing, but unfortunately for me, it's only a thunderstorm. Y'all know I want to be a storm chaser when I grow up. Here I am being a mad scientist in the kitchen, about to make some steak bites, asparagus, and some garlic smashed potatoes. I'm actually going to cook majority of the food outside on the George Foreman grill. Let me know below in the comments if you have a Blackstone or a George Foreman grill that you like to cook on, and if you enjoy cooking outside of your home. I'll be making this meal in my garage, and one thing I will say is anytime I'm about to cook in the garage, I do clean it out with like Pine Sol, that sort of thing, to keep the bugs away. If you have not seen my bugs hack video, you definitely should check it out. I'll leave it below in the description box. I talk about cooking and cleaning at the same time a lot in my videos. It just really saves time. For me, personally, I have anxiety. So that totally messes with my anxiety when a kitchen is trash and every single dish in the kitchen is, dirty and all over the place. I cannot handle it. So for my sanity, and I protect my mental health at all costs and my peace, I cook and clean at the same time.
Love me like you do. Breathe.
There's nothing like a good old sink clean. I was sitting here watching it like, I love cleaning out the sink. The before and after transition is just everything to me. I don't know what it is. Let me know if you feel that way below in the comments, or what it is that you like to see cleaned. I also love power washing. All right, so I have some sour cream, some hell of a good dip, and some butter that I'm gonna mix in here. If you've never had the Hell of a French dip, oh my gosh, definitely try that brand. It is really good. I like to put that in mashed potatoes. And I also, if I have like the cream cheese, the sour cream and chive, I believe is what it is, I like to put that in mashed potatoes as well. I'm not a milk person. We use almond milk. And I don't know if you've ever tried almond milk in mashed potatoes, but that's not really good at all. So I'm gonna make asparagus next. In my home, we don't treat asparagus any different than we treat meat. It needs to have a lot of flavor. Kim does not want any parts of any bland food. As soon as I took the asparagus off the grill, I slathered it down just a little bit with some olive oil, and then I put the meat right on top of that. There's no need to clean in between unless that's what you want to do, but it already has that flavor and char on the grill, so just go ahead and cook on top of it. These steak bites are cut up into really small pieces, so it's not even like they're going to be on there very long. Last year, our dryer went out, so we got a new dryer, and this year, lo and behold, the washer goes out. So, as you saw in the first clip, we went out and got a new washer. So they're delivering it tomorrow. We're getting all of that ready right now. While I'm in the laundry room, because you know it's against my religion to be in here, okay? While I'm in here, I am just admiring the fact of how clean it is in here, okay? And let me just show you how clean it is.
You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm in here overwhelmed, okay? I'm not even gonna perpetrate like I'm calm, because I'm not. My skin is crawling. It smells weird. It's just gross. And I'm trying to figure out what avenue to take to get it clean. So if it's not the order in which you would go, please remember I am a professional and I do have my own cleaning business, but like, don't even judge me, because I'm out of my comfort zone totally.
About your dreams, tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Party's never over for me. My favorite Toy Story. Bo Peep is chasing me. Would he? Let me be a fantasy. Swiss Army King, they call me. Come find the key, baby, baby. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, do it, do it, do it. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Please love me. Oh, I don't think I can let you go.
Here's what the before looks like in case you forgot.
Bet you love me before I go.
switched out the light bulb so it could be just a little bit brighter. As you can see, the washer is gone. It's in the hallway, and they are here.
Tell me what you want, tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams, tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it.
People in therapy are often there to deal with people.
So long farewell to the old washer. It's funny walking up these stairs and seeing nothing in front of the wall. A lot of things needed to be moved, and it's right here in my bedroom. As soon as the hubs throw something in the washer, I'll show you what it's looking like. Styling and profiling, and it has a clear glass top and it matches the dryer. How about that?
Walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job.
I hope you've been getting outdoors this summer. Vitamin D is something that we definitely need. I live in Central Ohio. People typically go through seasonal depression in the wintertime because it's so gray. Oh my gosh, look it up. I'm not exaggerating. It's a lot, okay? So I try to spend as much time as I possibly can getting some fresh air.
Some days I wish I had a relationship status. Then I remember last time I ain't got time for that.
Ooh, that looks terrible. It looks like there's hair growing on it, doesn't it? Here's another one. I know it's all close up in your business, but yeah, this is all bad. So I gotta get this cleaned off.
Walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. My friend says I am stuck. I'm too self-aware, but how else will I get any luck if there are wounds left to wear? I read several books, I do meditation, walks in the woods.
Make it make sense, because they don't. Sitting here thinking about this, I'm like, you know what? I bet you those missing socks are in the washer, in the truck with those people, okay? It just got away, so I just threw the socks away. How else can you really explain missing socks in the laundry? Why is it always the socks that go missing? I don't get it. I did dust in here. I just did not turn the camera on. How about that? Not sure if you saw the struggle when I was putting the clothes away, when I was trying to get the drawers open, but yeah, they're a little bit out of control. So I'm trying to get this one out so I can empty everything out and go through it just to see what I can declutter.
If you are serious about us, yeah. Baby, your love is cold, but I don't feel the trust. Something's not adding up. What you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why?
Let me tell you a secret. This is good for me. This drawer looks amazing because my drawers be a hot mess. My cabinets be a hot mess. My closets be a hot mess. Out of that drawer, that is what I've decluttered. I'm going to give that away, put it in a bin, donate it, do something with it because I can't fit those clothes anymore.
So don't go wasting what you're feeling. Don't be done, be done, be done. Sorry is a word to you.
Dang, girl, you organizing all kind of stuff. Be sure to celebrate all your wins, no matter the size. It doesn't matter. Celebrate the win, celebrate yourself, give yourself some grace. You are worthy, you are needed, and you are enough. I hope you know that. Thank you so much for taking the time out to hang with us. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out.
You'll tell me now.
Here's the infamous pile of items that need to go. I appreciate you so much for being here. Please do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the like button on your way out, show someone some love, give yourself grace, say your affirmations, and be kind.
I got a thing about you.